All right, next up is 2 layers of LDH to simulate that commercial roof with the foam underneath. Gonna try to go halfway with the utility knife and then do linoleum. Just see the difference. Again, it's 2 layers of hose this time. So you have the 2 layers, you need 2 passes with the utility knife. Try a brand new linoleum knife on the other end. Yes, with that linoleum knife, we're able to penetrate both layers on the first pass. It does screw up the tip of the blade. Again, $4. It goes in the roof kit. You use it once at $4. I'd deem it disposable. So there we go. Science.